Hi, this is May with Ringover. Ringover isn't just a cloud calling platform, it's also a powerful performance monitoring tool. With Ringover, you can view both real-time call statistics and take an in-depth look back at your team's call statistics in order to help identify key performance indicators, or KPIs. Let's take a quick look at one of the ways we can customize Ringover to give you a better insight into your team's performance. The Ringover Dashboard is your portal to access any and all important statistical information. So let's begin by logging into the Ringover Dashboard by visiting dashboard.ringover.com. Once logged in, the first screen you'll see will be your activity feed. That's where you'll find all of your call history happening in real time. To really take a deep dive into your performance indicators, we're going to want to take a look at your call statistics. To access this, just move your cursor over the statistics icon and then select Call Statistics. In this section, you can view everything relating to your Ringover's team's performance, whether it's viewing an individual's performance or viewing call volume right down to the hour across a vast period of time. To better illustrate how to customize call statistics to deliver the KPIs you'd like to see, let's run through a specific example. In this example, let's say you manage a customer support team at a company with multiple departments. You'd like to see who on your customer support team has spent the most time helping your customers in terms of call duration over the past year. It's super easy to derive this exact information right from the call statistics by making a custom filter. To begin, click on the Edit Filter button towards the top of the page. Next, on the sidebar that pops up, select Personalize. Then, from the Groups column, select your customer support group. If you don't already have a group set up in Ringover for your customer support team, you can find a link to the video explaining how to do so in the video description. Note also that if you wanted to, you could narrow down your filter to individual users by selecting them in the adjacent Users column. Next, we'll want to choose our date range. We're looking for performance over the past year, so choose last 12 months in the date section. If we really wanted to get super in-depth here, Ringover gives you the ability to filter down to specific dates right down to the very minute. Finally, let's filter out any statistical noise by only showing quality calls. Let's define those as calls lasting 1 minute or more. From the Exclude or Show Only Certain Calls, select Calls Greater Than Seconds, and then input 60 into the field, then select Show Only. If your team is in the habit of using tags, you can choose to further refine your results by selecting a customer service tag. Once you're all set, simply click Search. Now look at all that data to take in. Based on the filter we just set, we're now only viewing customer service calls lasting over 60 seconds from the past year. The top of the page gives us an overall view of data, and just below, we can visualize it in graph form. Finally, and perhaps most importantly, you can view this data in terms of your individual team member's performance. So let's take a look at which team member has spent the most time on the phone helping out your customers over the past year. To do that, just click Duration in the Per User section. And just like that, you can easily see who has spent the most time interacting with your customers on the phone over the past year. Remember that this is just one of the many ways you can customize your Ringover call statistics to show exactly the KPIs you want to see. I hope this video has been helpful and informative. Thanks for watching.